Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Yeah, we just about back, team. Just about. A few minor intricate details, and we's in there, Mo. A few things I want to do to this. We is good to go. Good to go, squadron. Let's get it. Just got that fresh intake manifold. I am stoked. Just swapped everything over. Everything's looking clean. Yeah, squad. I am definitely ready to get this back in there. We'll get this into the 3.0. Y'all already know. Let's go. All right, squadron. So, keep y'all in the loop. I mean, you see we got hella shit, but let's take it from the top. So, my rear diffuser came through. We're gonna hook that up. Slap that on the back, you know. Screws, 3M, cool beans. So I have my outer tie rods in here, some heavy duty joints. I got my two inner tie rods. They had to ship those separately. So we're getting the suspension in itself, well, rather the steering and the suspension in itself in order. So my next joint is probably gonna be to get these strap mounts and get the lower control arms. After that, I'm gonna go grab up SPC rear camber kit for my joint. So now, once I'm ready to fully lock everything in and get the wheel alignment, everything will be good to go. You already know, squad, lock in. But yeah, squad, my rear diffuser came in, so we're going to put this together. Again, you know, just to help the aerodynamics. And slap that on the back and take a quick look-see on what will be looking like as far as getting this installed. I mean, 1, 2, 3. I'm about to take out my Milwaukee and get it popping, but just to kind of give y'all a quick look on what it looked like, should be something like that. Once I put it together and I put it on the back, and we'll be good to go, squad. So, let's jack up the back of the car. Let's get to work, baby. Y'all already know. Okay, ladies and gents. 3.0 jacked up. So, got diffuser, and we're gonna see how we want to line it up. Of course, shit, I'm gonna do all of this. This is how it be going on. It just kind of flips upside down and be under here. So, yeah, drill, screws. That's pretty much all you need, team. It comes with some 3M tape, but I'm not looking to 3M it. I'm gonna make sure this joint is stable, so I'm just gonna use some duct tape so I can get it set where I want, so that now I can just drill the holes in and drill it in and make sure that it's solid. Don't have to worry about anything. Got my drill bit joints too, just so I can make some holes. You know what I mean? Make this shit real simple, real light. 1, 2, 3. Milwaukee for the win. Y'all already know the game plan. Let's go. All right, squad. Just want to give y'all a quick test fit. Use my 3M painter's tape. You know what I mean? Masking tape and a little duct tape, just so I could get a good idea of how exactly I want it. So now, just to make some holes, Mo. Line it up, got the screws, got the drill. Let's just make some holes. This is looking really good. Let's get a couple of holes in the middle just to make that sturdy. A couple of holes on the end just to lock it in. And yo, we should be good, team. I like that. Let's see. Yeah, let's go. You already know. Like that. I like that. Let's go. Alright, team, so I got this shit as close to the middle and lined up as possible, with nothing touching, nothing rubbing. Use like the outer post right there on the fin to kind of line up towards the edge. But for the most part, that's about as even Steven as you're gonna get it. And let's lock it in. So got everything I need. Drill bits, screws, screw joint. Let's go. Let's get it, squad. You already know. Let's line it up and we'll knock it out. All right, team, we are under the car. Just wanted to show y'all my lineup on kind of how I had it. Got 2 screws in. Got the drilling going just so we're sturdy. See, we're sturdy. We're not going nowhere right now. But we're gonna figure out exactly, probably put a couple more screws on each side and do it like that. Screw here, or screw on the outside to really lock that in. Screw on the outside to lock that in. And then I'll try and measure or gauge with my hand kind of where we can get that next set of screws in here going across. So that'll officially have this joint locked down. 12, 13 screws? We're gonna put all them shits to use, baby. Let's go. You already know, team. All right, squad, it ain't much, but little aerodynamics for y'all. All right. Let me pull it back. Zoom it in. Yeah, wavy. You already know. Stay locked in. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's go.